Hello guys, welcome back to Home Crooks. My name is Priya and today we are going to make a Halloween wreath using a cardboard base. So I have my base cut out and some string lights and this feather string which I'm going to use to layer our wreath. So let's get started. Our first step is to glue these feathers nicely and with layers onto the base. We are going to start from the outside and towards inside. Now that all the feathers are on our wreath base, we are going to add some string lights. Now that all the feathers on our wreath base, we are going to use some string lights inside them. We are going to weave our light through the feathers. You can use some craft wire or hot glue. Now we are going to tape some of the remaining wire to the back of our wreath. Before we reveal the wreath, we have to secure a hanging thread so we can hang our wreath. Now we are going to let it sit. And now is the time for big reveal.